It's winter in southern Chile, home to the Alerce, or Patagonian cypress, one of the world's two oldest proven tree species.
Earth is home to millions of tree species, but 30 of these are so unusual. The reasons for their strange appearance range from their strange shapes, vibrant colors, and incredible adaptations in harsh weather conditions. Surprisingly, some have survived for thousands of years, playing a vital role in our ecosystem and providing oxygen for the sustenance of humanity. What are the 30 most unusual trees across the world, and why are they so special? Join us as we reveal the 30 most mysterious trees in the world. Number 30, Crooked Forest Trees, Poland. Let's make a quick trip to Central Europe. This mysterious forest in Poland is called the Crooked Forest. Here, hundreds of pine trees are bent into a uniform J shape. This ecological anomaly has sparked controversies over the years. Some believe the trees were bent through extraterrestrial intervention, while some geologists blame gravitational anomalies. However, the actual cause of this unusual curvature remains a mystery. Located near Gryfino, the Crooked Forest has approximately 80 pine trees planted between 1930 and 1945. The trees exhibit a distinctive 90-degree bend near their base, typically pointing northward. While the internet has circulated many fake theories, including those blaming German tanks during World War II, these explanations have been debunked mainly due to the lack of evidence. Despite several years of extensive research, the exact cause of the Crooked Forest's formation remains unknown. The next tree on our holds an interesting survival secret? Keep watching to find out. Number 29. Ficus macrophylla, Yemen. The dragon blood can only be found in the remote Yemeni island of Socotra. This Yemeni tree is a remarkable botanical specimen. With its unusual umbrella-shaped canopy and exposed branches, dragon blood efficiently captures and absorbs moisture from the air, contributing significantly to the island's hydrological system. This process, known as horizontal precipitation capture, helps replenish the local soil with precious water. Beyond its ecological importance, the dragon blood tree is celebrated for its vibrant red resin, harvested for centuries. Yemeni folklore associates the tree's origin with ancient conflicts between brothers or mythical creatures. The resin, valued for its versatility, has been used in various applications, including paint, pottery glaze, cosmetics, and traditional medicine. However, harvesting this valuable substance requires careful consideration to protect the trees. Only experienced harvesters can extract the resin, ensuring the tree's long-term survival. Number 28. Cory tree, New Zealand. The kauri tree is the giant pearl of New Zealand's forests. It is known for its large size and longevity. Reaching heights of up to 50 meters and boasting trunk girths exceeding 16 meters, it's one of the country's tallest native tree species. Its ancient branches often provide a home for epiphytic plants. Kauri trees are known for their remarkable lifespan, usually exceeding 2,000 years. Their thick, mottled bark, resulting from natural shedding, is a defense against parasites and epiphytes. Historically, Maori people utilized kauri timber for various purposes, including housing and canoes. However, the arrival of Europeans led to widespread deforestation, primarily for shipbuilding and construction. Today, the kauri tree faces a significant threat: kauri dieback disease, caused by the pathogen Phytophthora agathidicida. Infected trees may exhibit yellowing leaves. To protect New Zealand's precious kauri forests, individuals can contribute by staying on designated trails, cleaning their footwear to prevent the spread of pathogens, and avoiding contact with kauri roots. Supporting organizations like Trees That Count, which focuses on planting kauri and other native species, is another effective way to contribute to conservation efforts. Number 27. Bamboo tree, worldwide. While bamboo isn't technically a tree, its rapid growth rate and environmental benefits make it a valuable resource for reforestation efforts. Unlike many other plants, bamboo can grow up to 2.91 feet per day, showcasing its exceptional growth potential. In addition to its impressive growth rate, bamboo offers different advantages. Its woody stems are naturally fire-resistant due to silicate acid, making it suitable for reforestation in fire-prone regions. By incorporating clumping bamboo into tropical reforestation projects, we can enhance the long-term sustainability of these initiatives and mitigate the risks posed by wildfires. Bamboo's versatility and environmental benefits make it a promising alternative for reforestation efforts worldwide. Its rapid growth, fire resistance, and other unique properties contribute to its potential as a sustainable and ecologically beneficial resource. Bamboo's strength and flexibility make it an exceptional building material, particularly in earthquake-prone regions. Number 26. Wisteria tree, China. With their colorful cascades of blue or purple flowers, wisteria vines are a gardener's treasure. When trained on pergolas or archways, these hardy and long-lived plants add a touch of elegance to any outdoor space. However, their vigorous growth and invasive tendencies require careful consideration before planting. Wisteria vines can increase, often exceeding 30 feet long and gaining weight. Their aggressive growth can make them challenging to manage if not planted strategically. It's essential to avoid planting wisteria vines too close to your home, as they may infiltrate cracks and crevices, causing potential damage. While wisteria's beauty is undeniable, its demanding nature necessitates careful planning and maintenance to ensure it remains a harmonious addition to your garden. While wisteria vines are a visually stunning addition to gardens, it's essential to be aware of their potential toxicity. The seeds produced by wisteria plants are similar in appearance to those of laburnum and contain a harmful saponin called wisteria. Ingesting any part of the wisteria plant, including the seeds, can lead to poisoning. Symptoms may include dizziness, confusion, speech problems, nausea, vomiting, stomach pain, diarrhea, and in severe cases, collapse. Number 25. Angel Oak, United States. The angel oak is a majestic southern live oak on St. John's Island, South Carolina. Estimated to be over 500 years old, it's one of the oldest living things east of the Mississippi. Its towering height and sprawling branches, reaching over 65 and 187 feet respectively, make it an awe-inspiring sight. Some branches defy gravity, rooting back into the earth and regrowing upwards. The angel oak is more than just a tree. It's a beloved landmark that locals and visitors cherish. Its significance is so profound that in 1991, the city of Charleston acquired the surrounding land to protect it from future development. Many people report feeling a deep connection to the angel oak, drawn to its immense size and the rich history it embodies. It's no wonder that visiting this ancient giant leaves a lasting impression. Talk of age, the next tree on our list will leave you speechless. Number 24. Pando, United States. The Pando clone, a massive aspen grove in central Utah, is one of Earth's largest and oldest organisms. Named after the Latin word I spread, Pando originated from a single seed and has expanded over time by sending up new shoots from its extensive root system. Weighing approximately 13 million pounds and covering over 106 acres, Pando consists of more than 40,000 individual trees. While its exact age is difficult to determine, it's believed to have started growing at the end of the last ice age. Some of the trees within the clone are over 130 years old. Pando's impressive size, weight, and ancient age have garnered worldwide attention. Located near Fish Lake on State Highway 25, it's a popular destination for visitors seeking to experience the beauty of the Utah wilderness. The clone's vibrant foliage, which changes color from green to yellow and orange in the fall, creates a stunning spectacle. Despite its fame, Pando is facing challenges. Researchers have observed a decline in the clone's health, attributed to a lack of regeneration and increasing threats from insects and diseases. Number 23. Dead Vally trees, Namibia. Dead Vally is one of the most remarkable natural wonders found on Earth. It is found within the larger Namib-Naukluft National Park in Namibia. This extraordinary destination has attracted travelers, scientists, and photographers for years. Look at the beautiful forest of dead trees, their skeletal remains reaching the sky. This desolate beauty shows life's raw power and enduring spirit in the harshest environments. Dead Vally is a radical contrast to the world's vibrant ecosystems. The trees that once thrived in this valley are now mere husks, their trunks bleached white by the relentless sun and the scorching heat of the desert. Their story began thousands of years ago. This valley was a lush oasis fed by a river flowing through the desert. trees flourished here, drawing sustenance from the abundant water. However, as the climate changed and the river dried up, the trees were left to fend for themselves in an increasingly hostile environment. Unable to adapt to the arid conditions, they succumbed to the harsh elements, and the dry climate of the desert preserved their remains. Number 22. African Baobab, Africa. Predating humankind, the baobab tree is a prehistoric species dating back over 200 million years. While European scientists once believed they could live for up to 5,000 years, modern carbon dating suggests they can live for approximately 3,000 years. These giant trees, reaching heights of 100 feet and matching circumferences, have long been central to the lives of indigenous African savanna peoples, providing shelter, food, and water. The baobab plays a crucial role in the ecosystem, maintaining soil humidity, aiding nutrient recycling, and preventing soil erosion through its extensive root system. The tree's large whitish flowers bloom at night and fall within 24 hours, creating a stunning display. As a succulent, the baobab stores water in its massive trunk during the rainy season, producing nutrient-dense fruit in the dry season. This fruit, rich in tartaric acid and vitamin C, is a vital food source for many species. Additionally, the baobab provides essential water and shelter for various animals, including birds, lizards, monkeys, and even elephants. Unlike most trees, it continually grows multiple fused stems, regenerating bark in the spaces between them, creating false cavities. Unfortunately, 9 of 13 of Africa's oldest and largest baobab trees have died in the past decade. Scientists attribute this decline to warming temperatures, which may directly kill or weaken the trees, making them more vulnerable to drought, diseases, fire, or wind. Number 21. Strangler Fig Cambodia. What you are watching now is the ancient Buddhist temple of Ta Prohm, nestled within Cambodia's Angkor complex, which is a poignant testament to the power of nature. Cory initially constructed in 1186, the relentless growth of strangler figs and silk cotton trees gradually enveloped this once thriving monastery. Over centuries of abandonment, these trees intertwined with the temple's structures, creating a haunting and ethereal landscape. Once a bustling center of learning and devotion, fellow Prohm El went into disrepair due to various factors. Historical research suggests that droughts and floods, likely exacerbated by shifting climate conditions, contributed to the decline of the deity and its temples. Discovered by French archaeologists in the early 20th century, Ta Prohm now stands as a captivating reminder of nature's ability to reclaim its territory. While the temple appears to be touched by human intervention, it requires ongoing maintenance to ensure the safety of visitors and preserve its fragile beauty. Number 20. Silk tree, Asia. The silk tree, scientifically known as Albizia julibrissin, is a member of the legume family native to Asia. Introduced to the United States in 1745 as an ornamental tree, it has since become invasive in North Carolina and other southeastern states. The silk tree is a fast-growing, deciduous tree with a broad crown and weak limbs susceptible to damage from adverse weather conditions. It typically grows to 10-50 feet with a spread of 20-50 feet. The tree prefers full sun and tolerates summer heat. One of the silk tree's most distinctive features is its fragrant pom-pom-like flowers, which attract bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. The leaves are fern-like and exhibit a unique sensitivity, closing when touched or at night. Despite its beauty, the silk tree's invasive nature threatens native ecosystems. It can outcompete native plants for resources and disrupt ecological balance. Next, we will reveal one of the oldest trees on our list. Its ancient origins will leave you speechless. Number 19. Wallamy Pine, Australia. The Wallamy pine is a remarkable botanical discovery dating back to the time of the dinosaurs. Once thought to be extinct, it was rediscovered in 1994 in Australia's Blue Mountains. To protect this rare species, scientists and horticulturists have worked to propagate and cultivate Wallamy pines outside their native habitat. These slow-growing trees have a distinctive appearance with tough, fern-like fronds and dark brown, bubbled bark. They can reach heights of 130 feet and have trunks up to 3 feet in diameter. Wamy pines reproduce both vegetatively and through wind pollination. As monoecious plants, they have both male and female cones on each tree. These long-lived trees are estimated to be between 500 and 1,000 years old in their native habitat. Number 18. Jomonsugi, Japan. The Jomonsugi is a magnificent Japanese cedar tree that stands as a testament to the enduring power of nature. Found on the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Yakushima, this ancient tree is estimated to be between 2,000 and 7,200 years old, surpassing the age of the nation of Japan itself. Protected from logging due to its irregular shape, the Jomonsugi was rediscovered in the 1960s. Its significance played a pivotal role in safeguarding Yakushima's forests, ultimately leading to the island's designation as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Access to the Jomonsugi is restricted to an observation deck 15 meters away. The hike to the tree takes approximately 10 hours, requiring an early departure to ensure a return by sunset. Number 17. Tulle tree, Mexico. The Tulle tree is a majestic ahuehuete found in Oaxaca, Mexico. This remarkable specimen is renowned for its size and age. Standing at over 42 meters tall and estimated to be 2,000 years old, it holds the Guinness record as the largest living tree in the world. As a perennial tree, the Tulle tree retains its foliage year-round. Its leaves are small, oval-shaped, and arranged in a spiral pattern. The tree produces seeds throughout the year, and its bark is strong and regenerative. Ahuehuetes are native to Mexico, the United States, and Guatemala. While the average height of these trees is 18 to 25 meters, the Tulle tree's exceptional size and girth make it an extraordinary example of its species. Number 16. Bristlecone pine, United States. The Great Basin. Bristlecone pine is a remarkable species, known for its longevity and adaptation to harsh environments. These ancient trees, found in the White Mountains of the Inyo National Forest and other high-altitude regions in the western United States, are among the oldest living organisms on Earth. Characterized by their twisted, often human-like forms, bristlecone pines have developed unique adaptations to survive in the extreme conditions of their habitat. These include slow growth, dense wood, and the ability to thrive in seemingly inhospitable limestone rock. The Great Basin bristlecone pine is an extremely rare species, limited to specific regions in California, Nevada, and Utah. Their presence in these areas is a testament to their resilience and adaptability. Number 15. Giant sequoia, United States. In the western slope of California's Sierra Nevada mountains, the giant sequoias are among the largest living organisms on Earth. These ancient trees, capable of reaching 3,400 years of age, have evolved remarkable adaptations to survive the region's frequent wildfires. The giant sequoia's thick, fibrous bark acts as a natural shield, protecting the tree from the intense heat of forest fires. This adaptation has been crucial to their survival throughout centuries of natural fire cycles. The species has evolved to rely on periodic fires for seed germination. However, decades of fire suppression and drought have led to a buildup of fuel loads, increasing the risk of devastating high-severity fires. These intense fires threaten the giant sequoias and other species that depend on them, such as the California condor. Preserving the health and resilience of these iconic trees is essential for maintaining the biodiversity of the Sierra Nevada ecosystem. Number 14. The Great Banyan Tree, India. The Great Banyan Tree in Kolkata, India, is a remarkable natural wonder and one of the largest banyans in the world. Covering an area roughly the size of a city block, this colossal tree is not a forest but a single organism with an extensive network of aerial roots. According to Aaron Alvarez and Bart Schutzman, lecturers at the University of Florida, the Great Banyan Tree spans over 14,500 square feet and reaches heights of 80 feet. Estimated to be more than 250 years old, this ancient tree is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of plant life. Number 13. Yoshino cherry, Japan. The Yoshino cherry is the best flowering tree on our list today. It is famous for its vibrant display of white-pink blossoms and delicate fragrances in the springtime. Native to Japan and introduced to America in 1902, this tree is a centerpiece of events like the national and international cherry blossom festivals. Beyond its springtime beauty, the Yoshino cherry offers year-round appeal with its oriental branching pattern, glossy bark, and dark green leaves. Legend has it that a fairy maiden awakens the sleeping cherry trees each spring with her breath. The Yoshino cherry, along with its cousin the Kansan cherry, is responsible for the stunning pink blossoms that adorn Washington, D.C. These trees were a gift from the mayor of Tokyo to Washington more than 100 years ago. Number 12. Royal Poinciana, Africa. The Royal Poinciana, also known as the flame tree, is a stunning deciduous tree renowned for its vibrant red-orange blossoms that cover the treetops from May to July. This broad-spreading tree is popular for providing shade in large, open lawns due to its delicate, soft leaves. However, it requires ample space due to its expansive root system. Native to Africa, the Royal Poinciana is a fast-growing evergreen tree with a distinctive bipinnately compound leaf structure. Each leaf consists of up to 25 pairs of leaflets, further divided into up to 25 more pairs of leaflets. The tree's most striking feature is its clusters of exquisite red flowers, each with 5 petals, one larger with yellow and white markings. The fruit is a seed pod that can exceed a foot in length. While the Royal Poinciana is a beautiful and impressive tree, it's essential to consider its size and root system before planting it in a specific location. Number 11. Maple tree, Canada. The maple tree, a member of the Acer genus, is a widely recognized and valuable tree. With over 100 species worldwide, 10 of which are native to Canada: sugar, black, silver, bigleaf, red, mountain striped, Douglas, vine, and Manitoba, maple is Canada's official arboreal emblem. Maples offer a diverse range of forms, sizes, and foliage, making them popular choices for forests, lawns, streets, and parks. Known for their striking autumn colors and the maple syrup they produce, maples also provide valuable wood for various applications. While most maples originate from Asia, several species are native to North America, including the sugar maple, red maple, silver maple, box elder, and bigleaf maple. Recent studies have highlighted the significance of maples as foundational species, playing a crucial role in shaping and maintaining their ecosystems. Throughout history, maples have also served as foundational species for humans, contributing to the fabric of societies worldwide. Number 10. Rainbow Eucalyptus, Philippines. The rainbow eucalyptus is a stunning botanical marvel renowned for its vibrant and ever-changing bark. This remarkable tree is native to the tropical forests of New Guinea, Indonesia, and the Philippines. It has a breathtaking palette of colors throughout the year. As the orange-tinged outer bark peels away, it reveals a mesmerizing array of hues, including green, red, orange, gray, and purple-brown. The rainbow eucalyptus is a rare sight outside its native habitat, thriving in moist, humid conditions. It has been cultivated in regions like Hawaii and other parts of the United States as a decorative street and shade tree. While it can reach impressive heights of up to 250 feet in its natural environment, scientific research on this species remains limited. One intriguing theory suggests that the tree's color changes are influenced by the presence of tannins and the decline of chlorophyll during the shedding of bark. The specific types of tannins in the bark determine the dominant hue, making the rainbow eucalyptus its distinctive name. Number 9. Bald cypress, North America. Unlike many of their evergreen counterparts, bald cypress trees are deciduous conifers that shed their needle-like leaves in the fall. Their name reflects this early leaf drop, and their autumn colors range from tan and cinnamon to fiery orange. The bark is brown or gray with a distinctive stringy texture. While young trees have pyramidal crowns, they typically develop a more columnar shape as they mature. A unique feature of bald cypress trees is their knees, which are actually pneumatophores, specialized roots that protrude upward from the ground or water. These knees are thought to help transport air to submerged roots in swampy conditions and may also aid in anchoring the tree. Bald cypresses are impressive trees, reaching heights of up to 120 feet, with trunks measuring 3 to 6 feet in diameter. Although they are often referred to as giants, they cannot rival the towering redwoods exceeding 300 feet in height. Number 8. Quaking aspen, North America. The quaking aspen is the most prominent tree species in North America. You cannot escape its captivating trembling leaves and unusual growth pattern. We are about to reveal something extraordinary. Keep watching to find out. Unlike most trees, aspen stands are typically composed of genetically identical individuals connected to a single root system. This clonal colony allows aspens to spread rapidly and recover from disturbances like fires or insect outbreaks. While individual aspen trunks may have a lifespan of about a century, their root systems can persist underground for millennia. One Utah aspen clone has been estimated to be 80,000 years old. The interconnected nature of aspen stands provides them with exceptional resilience. When a tree falls due to disease, pests, or natural disasters, the remaining trees are quickly alerted through hormonal signals. This triggers rapid growth and regeneration, enabling aspen colonies to recover from severe disturbances. Number 7. Dwarf Willow, United States. The dwarf willow is a portable tree native to the North Atlantic coast. This short man would make an ideal Christmas tree for even the smallest apartment. It's arguably the world's tiniest tree, growing to a mere 1 to 6 centimeters tall. This small stature is an adaptation to the harsh Arctic environment, allowing it to stay close to the ground and avoid the brunt of the cold winds. Despite its diminutive size, the dwarf willow possesses a woody stem and branches, leading some to classify it as a tree. However, its lack of considerable height has left the debate open for years. The dwarf willow is a tiny tree, making it an excellent choice for those with limited space. Measuring only 6 by 2 centimeters at its full height and breadth, it can easily fit on a windowsill. Its male plants produce yellow fruits, while the female ones are red, offering creative color combinations. That is not all. It is adaptable to various environments, thriving at high altitudes and sea levels. This compact size and portability make it convenient to store away after the holiday season. With its unique characteristics, the dwarf willow could be the ideal Christmas tree for modern living. Number 6. Eucalyptus tree, Australia. Probably the most medicinal tree on our list so far. Eucalyptus is native to Australia. This highly medicinal tree is known for their distinctive blue-gray bark that peels off in strips, revealing yellow patches underneath. Some species have a red resin, earning them the nickname gum trees. These fast-growing trees have been widely planted in gardens, parks, and plantations worldwide, even becoming naturalized in certain regions. Australian indigenous populations have long used eucalyptus trees for various purposes. They used the wood and bark to create tools, weapons, and musical instruments. Leaves of certain species were steeped in water to make a medicinal tea, while the Kulin people crafted water bowls from the tree. The Murray River tribes employed the bark to construct canoes. Today, eucalyptus oil is renowned for its antiseptic properties and is used in a variety of applications including congestion relief, cold treatment, topical creams for arthritis, and insect repellents. The tree's wood is also valuable for timber and pulpwood production. Number 5. Silver birch, Northeastern Europe. The birch trees of Scandinavia and Northeastern Europe stand out with their startlingly white bark against a snowy backdrop. This seemingly unusual adaptation serves a practical purpose, reflecting light. Like many others, birch trees rely on a symbiotic relationship with fungi. Microscopic fungal threads connect with the birch's roots, extending outwards and absorbing nutrients beyond the tree's reach. In exchange, the birch supplies the fungus with sugars. These fungal partners sometimes produce fruiting bodies that emerge above ground, the mushrooms and toadstools familiar to us. Number 4. Brazil nut, Namibia. The Brazil nut tree is a tall member of the Lecythidaceae family, native to South America. This majestic tree, one of the largest and longest living in the Amazon rainforest, is renowned for its edible seeds, which are also known as Brazil nuts. These nuts are commercially harvested and prized for their nutritional value and unique flavor. Considering their name, it's surprising to learn that the best place to find them is in Bolivia. These trees' towering height and large white flowers sound impressive. The hard, cricket ball-sized shell of the nuts is an excellent adaptation for protecting the seeds during their long fall. The discovery of radioactive elements in Brazil nuts is a unique example of how nature can unexpectedly concentrate elements. It's a reminder that even the most familiar things can hold hidden surprises. Number 3. Tree of Life, Bahrain. The Tree of Life is a solitary Prosopis cineraria tree located in Bahrain's desert. It is one of the world's most enigmatic botanical wonders. The tree's ability to survive in such a harsh environment is attributed to its deep root system, which likely taps into underground water sources. However, the exact mechanisms of its survival remain a subject of scientific inquiry. A significant tourist attraction, the Tree of Life draws over 50,000 visitors annually. Many locals believe this remarkable tree is a remnant of the biblical Garden of Eden, adding to its mystique and allure. Number 2. Bottle Tree, Namibia. The bottle tree is a rare species found in Namibia and Australia. It is notorious for its toxic properties. Its name derives from its characteristic bulbous shape, reminiscent of a bottle. The tree's milky sap is highly poisonous. The poison is so effective that hunters in the region smear the sap on their arrows just to add that extra oomph. And yet, no one calls it a poison dart tree. Despite its dangerous nature, the bottle tree boasts attractive pink and white flowers with a red center. During the dry season, from May to November, the bottle tree sheds leaves to conserve water and focus its energy on producing stunning flowers. It's a remarkable sight. A seemingly lifeless, thorny trunk emerging from the rocky desert landscape, adorned with delicate white blossoms. This unexpected display of beauty underscores the resilience and adaptability of nature, even in the harshest conditions. Number 1. Sunland Boab Tree, South Africa. The Sunland Boab tree, a majestic giant in South Africa, stands at an astonishing 72 feet tall and has a circumference of 155 feet. This remarkable tree is naturally hollow, creating a unique space that has been transformed into a small bar. Established in 1933, the bar could initially accommodate 15 to 20 people, but now it can comfortably host up to 60. Known as the tallest and widest baobab in South Africa, the Sunland Boab tree is a testament to time, dating back over 6,000 years. It's a true marvel of nature, captivating visitors with its sheer size and historical significance. The Sunland Boab tree has also become a symbol of resilience and natural beauty, drawing tourists and locals alike to witness its grandeur. Over the years, it has been the subject of numerous studies, highlighting its ecological importance and the role it plays in the local environment. The tree not only provides shade and shelter, but also supports a variety of wildlife. Its ancient presence serves as a reminder of nature's enduring strength and the deep-rooted history that connects South Africa's past to its present. Thank you for staying with us. Which of these trees do you find most impressive and why? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments section. If you enjoyed watching the video, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the following video on your screen and you will enjoy it.